Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, today we are working on the Michael Keaton, Tim Burton version of the Batmobile. Just the body is present today, but man, this thing is, let me check. In the neighborhood of 28, 29 inches long. So this thing is a monster. I did not make this file, but at the same time, I cannot share it as it was given to me privately. Everything is included. I mean, the cockpit lid here, we have the pieces for the jet engine, the side details. There's going to be lights in this thing. It's going to be awesome. I've wanted to do this a long time. I think it's been sitting on the proverbial shelf since 2018. This video is going to be about the surface work. There's a lot of detail in the surface of this Batmobile, and with 3D printing, there's all those layer lines, and so I'm going to have to work all of those out. Like I said, there's going to be lights and stuff later, but for now, let's get nuts.